Hello, this is a video to show the results of my 1936 RCA 6T AM shortwave radio restoration. First picture you see here is how the radio looked when we got it out of the cabinet. I took the tubes out to take this picture. You'll see them back in a later picture. The next picture here shows the underside of the radio. Those brown round things are wax-filled capacitors, which notoriously dry out and become inoperative over the years. Those with sharp eyes might be able to see that some of the wiring is made of a material that has started to deteriorate. So in the next picture we see that I have stripped just about everything out of the chassis. This was taken right before almost all it was gone. I left the transformer in, didn't want to damage potentially the fragile wiring exiting the transformer. And in the next picture we see all of the replacement parts have been put in place, all new wiring. All of the coils and capacitors, variable capacitors, are original, transformers original, all the controls are original. And then the next picture here shows the top of the chassis with the tubes in, everything restored. So just to compare before and after, before and after. The next little section here is a description of the radio's original home, and the actual radio being operated. I hope you enjoy it. So this is the house that radio got brought home to when it was bought, and this is where Dr. Webster would have listened to it as a little boy. What was that?
I'll bet it was in either this room or that room.
Aha. Okay, so here's the 1936 RCA Model 6T AM shortwave radio. Gonna turn it on. Dial lights up, and the red lamp indicates that we're on the shortwave band. Take it a few moments to warm up, and I think it's already on a channel that should have something happening. Let's see.
That company, which has managed to is able to restart production much faster and start paying back to the state the help it received. So taxis conclude Mahunka, adding that first steps have to be taken in cutting through bureaucracy.
So that's somewhere between 5 and 6 megahertz. We walk over to the modern radio. I think that's a different channel. Oh no, same channel. So anyway, that's the shortwave, and then we switch here, and that takes us to the AM broadcast. Go over here to
Coming around, I think I was 20 or 21, and I had no experience of what it was really like to love anybody.
So that's WSM, and the little green lamp, it may be hard to see in this light, tells us that we're on the AM broadcast. So the tone works. I don't know if the video shows that well, but the tone definitely changes when you turn that.
And there was
Got a lot of volume.
I think it's really important what you just said. So you're a hypnotherapist.
So anyway, the radio works after the rehabilitation. There'll be pictures, and I'll narrate those pictures when we add them to the video. So really pleased with how this turned out, and thank you for watching, and maybe we'll do another radio sometime soon.